108 Tips to Learn English. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, give your like, and share it with your friends. Tip 9. How much? Non-countable, always singular. How much time do we have to learn English? Time, non-countable. We have 2 months to learn English before the trip. How much money are those shoes? Money, non-countable. Just $20. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Sugar, non-countable. No sugar, please. How much traffic was there on the way to work? Traffic, non-countable. Too much. How many? Countable, has plural form. How many hours do you study every day? Hours, countable. I study 4 hours every day. How many dollars does it cost? Dollars, countable. Just $20. How many sugar spoons do you want? Spoons, countable. No sugar, please. How many cars did you pass on the way? Cars, countable. Too many. Uncountable nouns. How much? Music, art, love, happiness, information, news, furniture, rice, sugar, water. Countable nouns. How many? 1 apple. 5 apples. 1 cat. 4 cats. 1 coin. 10 coins. 1 hand. 2 hands. 1 brother and 1 sister. 1 cup of coffee. 5 cups of coffee. Enjoy the information. US coins. $1. $1/2. $1/4. 1 dime. 1 nickel. 1 penny. UK coins. 2 pounds. 1 pound. 50 pence. 20 pence. 10 pence. 2 pence. 1 penny. Important. US. 1 penny equals 1 cent. $1 equals 100 pennies. Singular, penny. Plural, pennies. UK. 1 penny equals 1 cent. 1 pound equals 100 pence. Singular, penny. Plural, pence. Exercises. I want 5 apples. How many apples do you want? I want 5 apples. It costs $5. How much does it cost? It costs $5. I love you a lot. How much do you love me? I love you a lot. I have 1 dog and 1 cat. How many pets do you have? I have 1 dog and 1 cat. 5 children are joking. How many children are joking? 5 children are joking. 3 spoons, please. How much sugar do you want? 3 spoons, please.